So in my first video, I will cook healthy food first. Let's go to the tools and materials please. This is cabbage, broccoli, carrot, cooking oil, onion, red, salt, and micin. So let's go. This is cabbage, spatula, and fork. Add the oil to the pan and wait until it is hot. Let's go. Let's shoot it. When the cooking oil is hot, let's put it. Add the complement onion and grate still only the onions smell is good and the color turns brown. Onions are cut. Add the clumper brown to the pan and still only the fries are hot cooked. Pour the salad and candlelight corns into the pan. Stir with the fries. Can wait until the crusts are hot cooked. Continue to put the clam in the pan. Stir with the broccoli crust in your oil about half cooked and salad and micin to taste according to the size. The last step still only after that is about cooked. Turn off the stove and leave it to and quarter. Thank you for watching. Sorry if the hair are wrong. Bye bye.